Okay, so I personally really like these Lutron. This is a 3-way. I love how it slowly lights up like that. It's really easy to turn on. And one thing I didn't realize is all I like to do is just tap it and it'll, do that. These lights we have, of course, are different, but they do work with these types of lights. It's not flickering like the video is showing. What I'm seeing right now is just totally straight. So don't let that flickering throw you off the video. Frames per second don't translate very well. But yeah, the dimming's great.